Enterprise Mobility Security, or EMS. ITD has implemented changes to the department's current mobile device policies. To comply with county security standards, mobile devices such as iPhones and iPads must be enrolled to the county's Microsoft Intune portal application. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to complete the self-enrollment process to EMS. The first step is to remove your current email profile from your iOS device. Locate and tap the Settings icon on your iOS device screen. Now scroll down and tap on Account and Password. On the following screen, tap on Accounts and select your DPW email account. Now scroll down and tap on Delete Account. Confirm that you want to delete the account by tapping on the Delete from my iPhone button. You will then be prompted to enter your device passcode. Remember, this is the code you use to unlock your device. Once completed, you will be notified that the email profile has successfully been removed. Next, install Intune Company Portal. Make sure you have your Apple ID and password on hand. If you do not have the information available, please contact the help desk, and we're happy to assist you. Locate and tap the App Store icon on your iOS device. Once the App Store screen opens, tap the search box, then type Intune Company Portal. Locate the Microsoft Intune Company Portal app and tap Get. If prompted, input your Apple ID and password in the pop-up box, then tap OK. Once downloaded successfully, you will be provided the option to open the application. Tap Open. At the Microsoft Intune page, type in your DPW email address. It will automatically redirect you to the LA County ISD page. Enter your mylacounty.gov password in the appropriate field and tap Sign In. At the Company Access Setup page, tap the Begin button on the top right-hand corner. Tap Continue on Why Enroll Your device. At the next page, tap Install. Confirm by tapping Install once more. Tap Trust at the Remote Management pop-up. Once the profile has been installed, tap Done on the top right-hand corner. You will now be redirected back to the Company Intune Portal app. Tap Open on the Open This Page in Comp Portal pop-up. At the Choose the Best Category for this device page, tap County Owned Device. Once again, at the Company Access Setup, tap Continue. You may be prompted to create a 6-digit passcode to meet compliance. Once the device is deemed fully compliant, you will see a green checkmark for each of the sections. At the Company Access Setup Complete page, tap Done. To access your email, locate and tap on the Mail app. A password required screen will pop up. Enter your mylacounty.gov password and tap OK. Your email will load momentarily. This concludes the EMS enrollment process for your county-owned device.